So we're actually on the way to Nick's house because he picked up an 86 Toyota Corolla, and we're gonna take a look at it. So it'd be cool to have an 86 on the channel. All right, so here's the 86 that Nick got, which I'll show you that in a sec. Here's Nick. But it was running kind of funky. After looking at it for probably like 10 seconds, we realized that there was a big vacuum leak, and we adjusted the idle on it on the carburetor because this thing is carbureted, so you gotta tune it a little bit when it gets cold or whatever.
The thing I waited almost 2 months for.
He's got that Nardi steering wheel.
Real Nardi.
Ooh, fire.
The little plaque of authentication. Drive by, get good though.
Yo, that's so sick. All right, so what's the first thing we gotta do?
Disconnect the battery.
That's right. Set the airbags off.
An airbag? Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Go off. You don't have to disconnect the battery. Yeah.
I always use that.
Yo, when you got big doors, you have big room. All right, so the first thing you gotta do is there's a what is it, a Phillips head?
Yeah, Phillips head.
All right, you gotta take the column plastics off.
Is this a fucking DIY?
Yeah, dude.
DIY, I guess.
Yeah, he's getting in there. How many screws there? 2?
2.
All right.
This shit.
Dude, the airbag is not gonna go off. Oh, there! Boom! Punches him right in the mouth.
Yeah, right. Yeah, dude, you just take both screws out.
We're gonna take it out and it's gonna fix it.
So get you someone who stares at Justin's ass like Nick do.
What?
Is my crack out right now?
Dude, I don't know. I'm not looking.
All right, so there's 3 screws, and then that's gonna blow up the airbag.
This went from a whole team install.
Oh yeah. Get in there. Hell yeah.
Oh, we're shit out of luck.
Hit it like your wife.
You need the key, like my E30, you need the key to unlock it to get the steering wheel. It's weird.
Oh, gee, that's weird. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep, so the trick is just beat the shit out of it around the steering wheel until it gets loose. But keep the bolt on a little bit so you don't punch yourself in the face when it comes off.
No, take the bolt off.
And then punch yourself in the face. Anyway.
Alright, let me get in there. Holes. Boom, boom. They have to line up right here. Alright, you grab your little bolts.
I mean, I don't speak whatever language this is, but that's the pièce de résistance. I think that's French.
So.
Oh, that might be French. I don't know. You tell me in the comments below. If anyone actually comments below.
Yeah, dude. Boom. And it lines up.
Oh, you got no horn. Who needs it?
Well, we just got that all situated, and probably gonna take this thing for a spin and just kind of see how it goes. But yeah, I mean the Nardi looks great in this car. All right, we're going for a little cruise in the 86. Got your mans right there.
We're ripping down the street, no plate.
Is it running better?
Oh, dude, it's amazing. It feels so good.
A little stinky, but
No, it feels good.
Nick's other vehicle, which is one of the coolest things ever, which is my favorite truck on the market now, is the Taco. This is like my favorite smaller truck that's on the market. These things are so cool, and it's in the coolest color you can get, in my opinion. I think this is Desert Sand, but this is a 17 model. This thing is Awesome. So we know you like the car, and you got some good ideas for it.
Oh, fuck.
What do you think you're gonna do next?
Surface rust. It's a pretty clean car, but it needs some work.
Yeah.
Then what else am I gonna do? Coilovers, BCs. We're gonna do that. Then I want to get a BN kit, and then I'm gonna do a manual swap. Fucking full send.
Jeez. All right. Well, you heard it here first, people. Full send.
Full send.
I don't know where.
I'm so awkward on camera.
I don't know where we're gonna full send it to, but we're gonna do it. Yeah, basically, you're gonna see a whole transformation of this thing within the next, year or so. It's gonna look so much different. So this thing has like a whole rebuild kit. So I mean,
pistons, rings.
we should just like rebuild the engine because it's so small. Might as well while it's out when we do the manual swap.